What's up guys, an upcoming entry-level phone from Vivo was just teased on the company's profile on Vivo. The first image of the Vivo U3 shows us that the phone will pack the Snapdragon 675 chipset and also gives us a look at the back. There is a triple camera setup and a fingerprint reader on the back. Apart from the logo placement, the U3 looks identical to the Vivo U3X, which is a rebranded version of Vivo U10. A while back, a Snapdragon 675 powered Vivo phone appeared on China with a model number V1934A/T. The listing showed that the phone will come with a 6.53-inch FHD Plus screen with a 16MP selfie cam housed in the water drop node. The other key specifications include 4GB or 6GB RAM variants with 128GB of storage with microSD card expansion. Around the back, there is a 16MP main shooter alongside an 8MP ultra-wide module and a 2MP of depth sensor. This phone will be backed by a 5000 mAh of battery, which is a USP of this phone. We will likely to get more teasers to confirm the full specification or full spec sheet in the coming days. The Vivo U3 is expected to go on pre-sale starting from October 21st in China, and if the rumor is to be believed, this phone will cost you around 1000 yuan in China, that is approximately $140. So this is all we know about the upcoming Vivo U3. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please hit the like button and do share this video among your friends. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.